am here to show you what I carry in my everyday Ukoala bag. So as you can see here, I absolutely love the water bottle hook. So I will almost on a regular basis have my water bottle attached to my bag. When I am not wearing my glasses, I kind of keep them hooked here on the outside. In my top bag here, oh, now you guys are gonna see everything I carry. So I'm kind of a supplement junkie, so I got a bunch of supplements. Nail file for those emergencies. And then I've got a tea bag. That was from the flight attendant on Southwest yesterday, thank you. I have my eyeglass cleaner and I have a bunch of business cards. And that is what I fit just in here. Oh, pack of matches. That's all in that pocket. And then in the front here, I've got, oh, I got stuff. Okay, I have my wallet. I have my high lumen flashlight. I have a bunch of pens, because a famous person once told me that successful people always have pens on them. I have 3 just in case one dies. Okay, and that's all that I have in there. In this big pocket, I have my phone. And I have my earbuds. That's it there. And so on the sides, I love these sides, okay? I actually have here, I have a flashlight on the side here. I'm a little bit of a flashlight junkie. I'll tell you the great thing about having the flashlight here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's actually a hole here on the bottom. So when I walk at night, I can actually turn my flashlight on, and I can be hands-free if I choose to be. And I have another little pocket here on the side. Guess what I have? Another flashlight. Told you I was a flashlight junkie. And then back here I have my little massage tool. Yep, I'm also a massage therapist. And then I've got 2022. Take your pick. Got a lot of hand. Oh, there's another one. Got a lot of hand sanitizers. That is the contents of my bag.